everything you must know if you want to buy land. Welcome to the final episode of the Frequently Asked Questions series. We have already covered the what, why, when, and where of buying land. And today we are diving into a topic that could make your dreams of owning land a reality. How to buy land. Now, for buying land, there are tons of possibilities. You could go online, you could do a local search with newspapers, and drive around to look for signs or explore opportunities for government-owned land. But today, I want to tell you how to buy land the easy way, and that's with discount lots. So, why choose discount lots? Well, we're all about making land ownership easy and affordable for regular folks like you and me. We sell land at crazy low prices because we buy properties at wholesale. There's no real estate agent, which means you can save up to 6% on commissions. Plus, there's no credit check. Whether your credit's perfect or not, you can buy land with a small down payment, like $197 or even $1 for some lots. We've got a 4.9 star rating from over 3,000 happy buyers. So now you know we're legit. It is land buying made simple. Here's the best part. Buying land with discount lots is easy peasy. We've simplified everything into easy steps you can do, mostly from your couch. Find your perfect lot. Head to discountlots.com and use our interactive map to search for land. You can filter by state, price, or size to find exactly what you want. Maybe a desert plot in Arizona or a wooded lot in Tennessee. Each listing has details like photos, size, and zoning, information about power, water, and sewer in the county, and even information about the annual taxes. If you want help, call our team at 866-808-7809 or fill out a form to chat with a buyer specialist. They will answer all your questions and even help you visit the property if you want. Choose your payment plan. Once you find your dream lot, decide how to pay. You can go for a super low down payment. Some are just $1 or most $197. Plus a small documentation fee like $300. Then make monthly payments as low as $200. Or if you've got the cash, pay the full price upfront for a discount. The best part? There are no credit checks. No loan applications, just a quick in-house approval. You can check out right on the website with a credit card or bank account. It is as easy as buying something online. Sign the contract. After you check out, Discount Lot sends you a contract within 24 to 48 hours. You have got 14 days to sign it, and our team is there to answer any questions. This is a contract for deed, meaning you get to use the land while making payments, and the deed's yours once it's paid off. Closings are fast, often done in under a week. No waiting around for months like traditional real estate. Own and enjoy your land. After your down payment and first monthly payment, the land is yours to use. Want to camp, park an RV, or start planning a building? Go for it! When you finish paying, we will transfer the deed to your name, and you're officially a landowner. It is that easy. So there you have it. Buying land with discount lots is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Find a lot, pick a plan, sign the contract, and own your land. With down payments as low as $197, no credit checks, and monthly payments for $200, there's no reason to wait. Head to discountlots.com today to start your journey to land ownership. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more land buying tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.